Alright, good day. Let's see these great features in copying and pasting data. So in copying and pasting data, there are some hidden features that you might not have been using, which is very important and actually would make you to work very smart while working on a project. So those are copying with formula, copy and paste using operation, and copy using transpose. So the first one I'm going to start with is copy with formulas. Now here is this data right here. This is the accumulation of this down to this. Here to here is this, and from here to here is what we have right here. Now we want to copy this somewhere, and we want, if any of these changes, it should change wherever this one is copied to. So what do? We highlight it and copy. When you copy, where you want to paste it, you paste it right here by going to paste and go to paste special. Now what do we want? We want to copy it with the link so that whatever changes there would affect what we have right here. So we go to paste link. Now here we have it. Now to test it if it is working, what do we need to do? What we need to do is to actually change something from here. Now if this one changes, and this one changes, this one changes, this one changes, you can see it affected all of them. So it's changing from here and it's changing right here as well. So the next one I'm going to talk about is copying and paste data with using operation, right? Using operation. Now we want to, now let's say we have these, and this actually is under new cells we made. We want to add it to this one. So what do? We don't have to add manually. Let us use this one as an example. We don't have to add manually. What we need to do is to actually click on the one we want to add and copy, then click on where we want to paste it and go to paste, then click on paste special, then you locate what you really want to use. You want to use operation. Do you want to add, do you want to subtract, do you want to multiply, or you want to divide? So we want to add in this very, and we want to add, so click on OK. So it has been added. That is 6 plus 4 gives us 10, 6 plus 5 gives us 11. So if you want to subtract it, you can actually click back and actually click on subtract, then it's off. Then you can play around with all those ones and use divide. You can see that is what it does. Now the next one I'm going to be using is transpose. So what does transpose do? Transpose will actually turn the first row into a column, while this one follows as well. So let us do that. And this very one here, which is the accumulation of all this, will go there. It's going to be, I think we call that one proper data set, right? Okay, let us do that. So we have to actually highlight it and copy, then go to what? Go to paste, paste special, and click on transpose. It's not going to work because we have not actually selected the area we want to paste it. So we can actually go back and select where we want to have it pasted. Select here and go back to it and click on paste special, then go to transpose, then we click OK. Now we can see it. Everything we have, you can see this. We have everything. Everything is what it is. So this is how to use this great feature. So you can just play around with the remaining ones and see what they do. I love that. I know you might have been using those ones partially before, not really all of them. So we have paste value, we have format, we have comment, we have validation. So just play around and get to know what all of those things do. Don't wait until you have project. Just play around with them and you'll get to know how to use them before that time comes. So thank you for watching. I wish to come with more tutorials, and I wish you could actually subscribe to this channel and keep it growing with me while I drop new tutorials every single time. Thank you.